Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this tutorial we are going to learn about how where statement is work in the MySQL. So let's get started. In last tutorial we see how select and from statement will work. Now let's see how where statement will work in the MySQL. So I will write here where statement, or you can say where clause also. Now what is by where? Where is nothing but a filtering clause. So let's suppose whenever you have to filter your data, in that scenario you can go with the where statement. So let's see how we can filter records. So whenever you have to filter the records from your table, in that scenario you can go with the where statement. So I will write one query: select first name comma last name from actor table, because we are working in the Sakila database. So this actor table is available in the Sakila database. Now if I run this particular query, you can see I am getting some records. So you can see total 200 records I am getting. In that I have first name and last name is available. Now let's suppose if I want to apply the filter in this particular record, so with the help of where statement I can do that thing. So how we can do that thing, let's see. So here you can see I am simply writing this command. So let's adjust the screen first so that you can see the screen carefully. Okay, so here again I am adjusting the screen. Okay, now again I am writing select first underscore name comma last underscore name from actor table. Now after writing this from command, you have to write where command. Where is useful to filter the records. So now I want to filter my first name. I require my record where first name is equal to Penelope. So I will write here Penelope. So I require those record where first name is equal to Penelope. So I am simply doing the filtration. How we are doing the filtration? With the help of where statement. And now you can complete your code with the help of semicolon. Now let's run this. Now you can see you are getting only 4 records. Why 4 records? Because in this particular actor table we have only 4 records available where first name is equal to Penelope. So here you can see all first name are Penelope, and you can see here in output window you are getting 4 output. Okay, so in this way this where statement will work. So let's take one more example. Now let's see if I want to use select first name. In select, whichever output you want to show in the output window, whichever column you want to show in the output window, you can write that thing. So let's suppose if I am writing first name and actor ID. So now in this time I require the actor ID and first name from actor table. Now again I am applying the one filter. So here you can see I am applying filter actor ID is greater than 5. So I require those record where actor ID is greater than 5. Now let's run. Now you can see you are getting 195 records. You can see my actor ID will start with 6 onwards. Okay, because I applied filter here. You can see my filter is on actor ID column. So he will go to the actor ID and he will check how many records are greater than 5. Now let's suppose if I want to apply the multiple condition. Okay, so in that case how you can go? So here you can see I am simply writing select first name comma last name, and I will write actor ID also. Actor ID, I require 3 column in my output window from actor table. Now I want to apply the multiple condition. Okay, so with the help of where I cannot apply the multiple condition. So let's suppose if I am writing first name equal to Penelope again. Okay, now if I want to apply the next condition, I am not able to apply that next condition here. So for that we require some conditional statement. So we have two conditional statement available here. We have lots of conditional statement available, just like and, not, or, not, and, that kind of conditional statement available. But to get the query, to get extract the records from the SQL, normally we prefer and or. So when you have to use and operator, when you have to satisfy all the condition at a time, and when you have to use or operator, when you have to satisfy either of the condition. So let's understand what is the meaning of this and or in the SQL. So now in this scenario, what I want to do, I want to extract the record where first name is equal to Penelope and actor ID greater than 5. Okay, I want to extract those records where first name is equal to Penelope and actor ID is greater than 5. So in such a scenario, I have to write here and. So and you have to write actor ID, and let's run this. Actor ID is greater than 5. Now it will show you those output where first name is equal to Penelope and actor ID is greater than 5. So if I run this, you can see I am getting 3 records. But if you remember, if I use this filter, first name is equal to Penelope, so I have total 4 records available where first name is equal to Penelope. But as I applied here actor ID also, so you can see I am getting only 3 records. Why 3 records? Because here he will check both the condition, first name also and actor ID also. First he has to check Penelope, and at the same time he has to check actor ID also. So here you can see Penelope and actor ID. Actor ID is greater than 5. This condition will satisfy. That's why it is showing you output. Here you can see first name is equal to Penelope, actor ID is equal to 104. This condition is satisfying. That's why it is showing output. Here first name is equal to Penelope, actor ID is greater than 5. This condition is also satisfied. That's why it is showing your output. So whenever you have to satisfy all condition at a time, in that case you can go with the and. Now let's take one more example of this. So here you can see, again I am writing one more query. Select first name comma last underscore name comma actor underscore ID. Okay, from actor table I am writing. And now again I am applying the filtration with the help of where command. Okay, so where first name, again I am writing first underscore name equals Penelope. And now in this case I am not going to use and, I am going to use or. Or means what? When you have to satisfy either of the condition. And let's suppose if I write actor ID equals, actor ID is less than 10, and now semicolon. Now you will see the result. So I did something wrong here, so let me check. Unknown column it is showing. You can see in the output window it is showing unknown column first name. So I think I mistakenly write a wrong thing. Here you can see I write dot. That's why it is showing like this. So you have to use comma, not dot. Okay, comma. Now run this. Now here you can see I am getting Penelope, Nick also, Ed also, Jennifer also, Johnny also, right? You can see if I scroll down I get Betty, Grace, Matthew, John, all records I am getting. Sorry, but which condition I applied here? I applied actor ID is less than 10. Okay, so as I applied all condition, so as I told you that whenever you have to satisfy either of the condition, in such a scenario you can go with the or. So here you can see he will check whether the first name is equal to Penelope or not. Yes, first name is equal to Penelope here. That's why you are getting this record. Okay, now here you can see again he is checking actor ID is less than 10 or not. Yes, actor ID is also less than 10 and first name is also Penelope. Now in second scenario you can see my first name is not equal to Penelope, but my actor ID is satisfying the condition. It is less than 10. That's why you are getting the output. So whenever you have to satisfy either of the condition in that scenario, you can go with the or. So here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and here you can see I am getting 54 and 104 also. Why you are getting 54 and 104 here? Because here first name is equal to Penelope is available, so this first condition is satisfying there. That's why you are getting these records also. Okay, 120 is also available. So whenever you have to satisfy either of the condition, in that case you can go with the or statement. Okay, now let's suppose if you want to use where command with the multiple values. So just I will show you how what I am saying to you. So I will again write select first name comma last underscore name from actor table where I require the multiple names now. So in that case, how you can go? So you have to write like this: first underscore name equals Penelope, or first underscore name equals Nick, or first underscore name John. Okay, so you can see I write multiple things, and if I run this, you will get the output. How much record you are getting? Total 7 records. Now check how the condition is satisfied. First name is equal to Penelope, you can see Penelope you are getting. First name is equal to Nick, you can see Nick is also getting. First name is equal to John, you can see John is also available there. No, John is not available in the record, so I can change the spelling. It is John. Now if I run again, you can see John is also available. Okay, because I write John. Okay, first name is equal to John. So you can see this kind of records I am getting if I am applying the OR condition. So let's run this. See, Penelope, Nick, Penelope, John. Okay, these records I am getting. Now instead of writing this first name Penelope or first name Nick or first name John, I can do this thing in one line itself. Then how we can do that thing? So for that you have to use in command. So let's see how we can use that command. So I am writing select here first underscore name. I will write first underscore name comma last underscore name from actor table. Okay, now I am writing where first underscore name. Instead of writing multiple time or you can simply write in. Okay, with the help of in also you can get the same output. So in you can write your multiple output. So here you can see I am writing Penelope comma Nick. You can write your filter. So here I am writing John. You will get same kind of record, and simply complete this query with the help of semicolon. Now you can see with this code I am getting 8 records. Now again if I run same code with the in that scenario also I am getting the 8 record, and same kind of output you are getting. So whenever you have a multiple filter available, okay, so you can go with the in condition. With the help of in you can get the same kind of output. So instead of writing or multiple time, you can go with the single in statement, and inside the bracket you can write your all filters. Similarly, we have not in option also available. Not in means what? You require those record where these values are not available. Okay, so here you can see I will simply copy this code and I will paste it here. Now here you can see in previous case I have write in. Now let's suppose if I write not in. So if I am writing not in, what does not in indicate? Not in means I don't require this record. Instead of that, whatever records are available, you can show me that records. So in first name, I don't require this record. Apart from that, whatever record is available, you can show me those records. So if I run this, you can see I am getting total 192 records. Because in this actor table, you know that total I have how many records available? 200 records are available. And in 8 records, these 3 values are available. As I write not in, that's why it is showing me a 192 record. Okay, so in this way, this where statement will work in the MySQL. So this is enough for today's session. We will see next thing just like group by and having command in the next video. Thank you.